church, what if I told you you could have the very much viral miracle knots in 35 minutes?
I ain't lying, I ain't got to sit up here a lot of y'all.
These are the quickest miracle knots I've ever done. They super fly, and best of all, you will not break the bank. Let's get it. Okay, so boom. Hey cousins, what's going on? How you doing? How your mom and them? Listen, let me show you what I did to achieve this miracle knot look in 35 minutes. First things first, this hair is synthetic. Yes. It's synthetic for a whole set. Now, I got the 200 strands. You will be able to get a full head of miracle knots with that. It's like $64, okay? As opposed to $150, $170 if you're using human hair, right? So if you looking to cut some corners, you want to style for a few weeks, bam, this is it. This is all. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of videos out there right now that show you how to install miracle knots, and there are a lot of different methods. Do what is best for your hair. If it is not pleasing in the eyesight of God for you to pull the little knot through the little thread, don't do it, okay? I've even showed you on my channel that you don't have to knot the thread, okay? I will be knotting today, but I'm letting you know you don't have to do that, okay? Now, because I am not a strong braider, it's very hard for me, guys, to explain to you what I'm doing right there. But somehow, all I did was combine this part with this part. Y'all, as I braid it down, some of y'all got that, some of y'all didn't get it. It's okay. As I braid it down, I just added a piece of the feather crochet into my plait, and I actually use baskin lather, or you can use any braid gel to kind of slick your own hair into the braid. And once I got to the end of the braid, I actually started to just 2-strand twist until all of my hair was, submerged within that piece. And then I took another piece right here on this first one and just added it at the top for the boho piece. Now, I'm not gonna lie, right here I was like, girl, what we doing? Because if you haven't noticed, my sections are very large, right? Okay, I'm doing that for the sake of time. I wanted to see if I do some big old ignorant thick jumbo miracle knots, what that work was gonna be like. And you saw the cornrows in the back, so what does that tell you? Right, we utilizing a hack today. It's hack-tabulous fabulous over here, and you should know that. Some people call it a hybrid install. That's cute too. So hey, we doing a hybrid install hack, which means the miracle knots along the front and regular basic cornrows for a basic crochet install in the back. What does that do, you may ask? It is going to just make it look like you have a head full of miracle knots when you clearly don't. Now, as I continue the install, I'm trying different things, you guys. So then I began to utilize 2 pieces, because I'm like, they're jumbo, so that one piece about to look super boneless. So let's add 2 pieces at a time at the bottom for that bottom plait, and also 2 pieces when I add the little boho, the little curl at the top. So we doing 2 and 2, okay? And I did that because I wanted to go together. I don't want my natural plaits to be jumbo size, but then I'm just adding one little strand here and one little strand there. I kind of felt like that was gonna look a little bit too boneless. Like, I'm all for boneless. Y'all know my hair is fine, so I don't need a whole lot, but I need a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I need to be able to sell it a little bit, y'all. And at first, I was a little nervous. I was like, Mary, you supposed to know better, baby. I don't know if you're going to be able to sell that right there. So I said, well, let me try 2 pieces. Bam. That was the magic touch. Okay. Now, again, you can attach your pieces the best way that you need to do for your own. I don't want to tell you what to do. You don't have to do it like this. I know some people really don't like miracle knots because they don't like to pull, or pull the little thread through and knot it, and you don't have to. And like I said, I showed you that as well on another video. You don't have to. But y'all already know me. I'm just in this Rolo season where I want all of my color selections to be the color of Rolos. I just want that. So I'm gonna pull out a 27 and a 30. I'm gonna throw that off up in there. You don't have to do it, okay? So when you see the packing, you'll see it'll say you can buy a pack of 100 strands, or you can buy a pack of 200 strands. Like, just say if you wanted it all 1B, just buy a pack of 200 strand 1B. You see what I'm saying? Otherwise, you're gonna have to what I ended up doing was buying a pack of 200 strand 1B, and then a smaller pack, 100 strands of 27, and then 100 strands of 30. You see what I'm saying? So I knew I would have enough 1B, but then I wanted my little color in there. So in total, that one side miracle knots that I timed was about 10 minutes. So that whole front section was 20 minutes. That's the miracle knots, okay? It took me 20 minutes to do those jumbo miracle knots. All right, now I'm starting all the way over from 0 again, doing the bike. This part right here, you should be on your get it girl get it. By this point, I realized that it's a lot easier to just use the crochet hook rather than my 2 fingers to pull the ends through. I flew through this part. Once I realized that, I was like, oh, well, I could have been doing that the whole time. And as a matter of fact, when I did the second side of the miracle knots in the front, that's the method that I started to use. Y'all, I was done right there. 15 minutes for the whole back of my head, okay? 20 minutes for the front, 15 minutes for the bike. Now, come on now. We got time for that. Put you on a little episode of Karamo or something. Get into it. By the time it's over with, you're going to be through with the install. But what I wanted to do was put another piece of, I mixed the 27 and the 30. So I didn't do like one section. I would just use a 30, and in another braid, I would use a 27. Anytime you see the color there, it is a mix. One strand of 27 and one strand of 30. I hope that makes sense. Okay? Y'all look at that. Come on now. That's a cute little style. You don't have to spend all day. If you have things to do and you need to stay true, hey, these jumbo miracle knots will come through. That's all I'm saying. And if you want to wear it up, you can wear it up because it is that deep curly wave. And y'all, it's so pretty. If you look closely, some of them look like little spirals. That's how pretty the curl is. And this is synthetic, y'all. I really have no complaints about this hair. And again, for the price, hey, now you could go the human hair route with this too and still do the jumbo install. Sometimes that's how I'm gonna be wearing my hair, especially when I'm working out. I probably put it in a low bun, throw my little scarf on. Other than that, put my bonnet on at night and be through with it, y'all. You can't beat it with a stick. Let me know if y'all gonna try this one out, all right? Peace, love, light.